My name is Charlotte Curtis. I'm the Waste Management Coordinator here at Joondalup Health Campus. And since the COVID pandemic has happened, I've been helping the cleaning staff and supporting them and educating them upon the wards. Before, we only had one staff member cleaning the rooms. Now we have 2 staff members on the ward. The actual cleaning itself hasn't changed, but the process of how we get to the point of cleaning has changed. There was a lot of apprehension at the beginning with the staff, but I think once they were educated, understood the PPE, infection control, I think the more you understand, the more comfortable you feel. So this has really affected people's shifts and times. We've had to implement an extra shift through waste, so they do an extra 8-hour shift. And then on the cleaning wards, there was only ever 1 staff member, so now there's 2 staff members on each ward. I've had to put in a discharge team at night that are trained just to do COVID discharge cleans, and that's 2 people again. So I think overall we've increased by 8 shifts daily.
I've been cleaning at Joondalup for about 2.5 years now. We've never really cleaned like this, so it's new. So usually when you're working up on a ward, you're cleaning by yourself. Now there's 2 of us, so we've got the red line in the middle. You've got a dirty person that stands on one side and a clean person that stands on the other. This is about infection control. The dirty person is in full PPE to protect themselves when they go in the room. It's all contact and droplet, so that's why we wear the PPE. It used to take us about 15 minutes to do a normal service clean. That just required gloves and going into the room, cleaning the toilet and the surroundings. Now it's taking us an extra 15 minutes on top. I felt a bit apprehensive working on the ward because obviously everyone's anxious with it because it's something new. But with everything that's in place and all the instructions we got and how we got taught really helped put my mind at ease.
Since I've only been here for 3 weeks, I never really knew what it was like before COVID. Since I've come here, it's been very different with, the clean and dirty side. Up in L2, which is the positive ward, we've had a PPE lady with us all the time, so she's been correcting us and helping us with each day because everything changes each day, so she's been supporting us with what to do and what's new. The patients obviously are in their room 24/7. They don't have family come and visit them, or they don't have, people to talk to. They do have a telephone in their room that people can ring them through, but obviously when we go in there we try and talk to them as much as we can and try make them as happy as we can, and a lot of them are really, really nice to talk to because it's really the only human interaction they have at the moment.